Okay. Right. Put this one here. Okay. Right, I'm just setting up for the stream. So bear with me for a bit. Hold on, I'm gonna be right back. Right. Hey guys, welcome to my stream. Today we're gonna be a long live stream. We're gonna be 3 hours long stream for today. So right now, let's see what gold has give us. Okay. Currently, we still have an uptrend goal right now for this on the lower time frame. On a higher time frame. Okay, yesterday this is our breakout zone here, and then price still make a dip. Okay, supposedly, this zone is supposed to be where the price pullback. Actually, there is a price pullback, still came back. So this is what yesterday happened. So we're gonna look for today first. Wait, hold on, let me test everything, check everything is okay. On the YouTube side is okay. On the Telegram is alright. Okay, seems that YouTube is alright, and also the Telegram seems to be alright. Okay, my car keys here. So for us right now, for us to look for let's see what the market is giving us today. Okay, let's look at H1 and H4. Okay, for the price to come here is very after this breakout towards this resistance here. Okay, if you look at H1, right, we're going to change this to line chart. This is what happened in the recent price. So there is a resistance here. Okay, we're going to remove these. We're going to focus on the current price right now. So what we do have is that we have a resistance here that is make a breakout. So whenever there's a breakout resistance price, usually will come back, pull back to come back to this resistance, which is gonna be a support, and price will gonna continue rising up. Usually that's the case lah. Okay, change back to I want to change back to candlestick. Okay, so we do have a resistance here and do have a current support which is quite close here. Price seems to be rejected and respected in this area, even though we do have a H1 breakout towards here. So currently, like a few hours ago, price was in the consolidation, and then now we have a breakout. Even though we shows on the low time frame that there's a breakout here towards the support, but resist on the higher time frame, it did not. As you can see, it did not make a break. So basically, price rejected here. So we do have a strong support area here. Okay, reset this. Okay, so if I were to sell, I'm waiting for the price to actually come back around here since the price is so close to where our yesterday sell zone breakout here. So even though okay, if we were to look at H1 here, okay, there's a resistance here being breakout as well. I'm gonna change back here and see what's up. Hmm. Well, currently momentum is still very solid bullish. We're waiting for the price to come back above here and see what happened, or the price will come back towards the breakout area here. Apparently this one is already breakout here, one breakout, two breakout, third. Okay, so I'm going to remove this for now because that is already a breakout. So basically, okay, I'm just gonna take this solid breakout towards this resistance. I want to see what the price react towards this area here. Okay, I'm gonna take this for now. So this is a breakout structure here. These are the closest one. So for the price to come back here after the breakout, very high chance. Maybe we can still able to get a chance to get a potential buy with, to follow up with. But if not, we can potentially get a sell here. But we have to see lower time frame, right? Yeah, guys. Because I'm worried about one M1 candlestick, right? Can damage us a lot here. So you got to be very careful. I mean, I'm MD4. All right. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Seems that price seems to be rejecting right now. Rejecting. Swing in a merry thing. Okay, currently the price is coming back close here. This is a new high, and then after this breakout of this new high, it created a new high over here. So usually after breakout a new high and create a new high, the price usually will come back, create a support, and then to look for a new high. So currently right now the price is what we have is sideways. So let's see whether the price would like to create to come back towards this zone or to come back towards the breakout resistance here. Yeah, right now the price is very volatile. We can't really tell whether the price is actually the best time to sell or the best time to buy. The best time to buy is already past because we live stream after this breakout, so we already missed the chance. So we're waiting for a pullback structure for right now. Because we have a very like if you look at M15, right, we have a solid engulfing candlestick here. Even M30 is still ongoing this candlestick. So whether this price will come back here and then reject is the next thing that we want to see. So for silver wise, okay, so yesterday price managed to came back here and then managed we if we were live stream here yesterday, we would probably manage to get some sell here, but we did not. So don't be lagging, don't be like. Okay, so the same goes towards silver right now. Silver is also coming back towards this area here. Support become resistant. Okay, so if you were to look back here, exactly. Bro, I want to change the line chart. Okay, so we have a support and then price breakout came back, create a resistance. So we do have a support become resistant here. So price most likely will come back here. So we want to see what the price create around here. If let's say the price rejected around this zone, we could potentially, can get a sell here. So we're gonna watch this first, see whether the price gonna come back. Price did come already coming in, but I want to see whether the price actually break the line or not. We haven't even actually touched that the support become resistant. I might say out first, better safe than sorry. Yeah. So we're gonna wait for the market to be exhausted and I'll try to see whether if there's a differences currently like right now on the lower time frame here. M1 for gold looks like reject after it's like uh buyer is like getting exhausted right now. So seller is coming in. So that's the reason why it's been rejected. If we rejected, right, so we have a potential price will come back. If potential price will come back here, we can see. So right now we do have a two zone area here that we can potentially see like here currently if let's say the price did something managed here or up here. If here if the price came back here and rebound from this side, we can manage to get a buy and then continuing following up because if the price is showing us exactly what we are looking at is like sideways going up. So potentially we can probably get that as well. So the song is so bad. 9 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. So price is actually moving towards here. Lucky we never took a buy here or whatnot. Price would have, could pulling back to us, and then it's not really a good sense for us to actually look on. Currently, I'm waiting for the price to come back here. On the safe side, best price is actually here. If let's say if there's anything going on here, because there is a breakout structure here on the lower time frame, so price will react there. Come close to that is much better. So if you look at higher time frame, right, even though there's a breakout towards it, the previous candlestick already closed beyond that. So M30 did close beyond that. H1 did close beyond that. So that's why this current candlestick is pull back towards the bullish and then up pulling back. So this is like a pullback structure right now. So if the pullback structure want to come back towards here or not, or maybe it's like it's gonna come back to us around here and then continue flying. So we shall see this monitor, this lower time, whether we can, get the buy as well. Meanwhile, we're gonna see first on silver wise. Oh, okay, silver haven't actually came back. Yeah, this is still the previous candlestick. So even though for silver it's same case, there is a potential, there is a breakout here towards here. Okay, it's a breakout here. This is a third attempt. Third attempt already make a breakout. So price will probably want to come around towards this zone here. Okay. We shall see whether price what we'll do here. If price come back here, we can buy. Above here, we're gonna sell, okay? Gold seems to be rejected. Maybe it's a will exhaust here. We shall see. Lower time maybe it's potential to buy, not yet. In window, there's engulf candlestick rejected, but then the next new current rejected back. So we are still looking at sell potentially still on a downtrend. It's the uptrend still right now. Well, ideally, this is the best place to sell. Ideally, this is the best place to sell. But price did not manage to come back there for us to take a chance to sell. So maybe we have a potential chance to get to buy. For USD JPY, UJ has been pulling back after the breakout towards this resistance here. There's this fair value gap. Nah, there's no fair value gap H1 here. It's more than that. So we're looking at what? This fair value gap here, 1, 2, 3, based on this breakout. So okay, we do have a fair value gap here. We're looking at other currencies see that we can able to get other or not. Um, H1, M30 prices actually not yet finished. So we are still looking at downtrend still for UJ. Okay, we actually meet up with possible that if we saw this just now, we probably have a chance to fight 10, 15, 20. Nah, we didn't. We don't have that chance. We came in already, the price also break out towards this support zone. Okay, break out towards this support already, came back, pull back, and then continue to be on the selling side. So okay, if the price come back here, we can possible manage to get a buy or sell manipulation around here. We shall see. For gold, okay, price seems to be rejecting slowly. Okay, potentially maybe we can have a chance to buy around here. Okay, wait first, wait for my signal. Okay, so today is gonna be a 3 hours long stream. Because we have Alan gonna live stream later on tonight at 10:30. So we're gonna live until 10. Okay. Supposedly, I wanted to live until 11 because we have two double high impact news tonight. We do have ADP at 9:15 and also ISM non-manufacturing at 11 p.m. So I wanted to trade during this high impact news, but it's okay. So, okay, price coming back here towards the breakout. So I want to see the low time. Whether price want to reject here? What can I buy? Okay. Taking a small risk right here. Okay, testing the market. I'm testing the market. Okay, I'll deep shoot. Currently, this is a new high. So our closest new high is basically around above here. But I'm gonna leave that one be for about. I'm gonna put my SL. Okay. We are able to buy our zone right now. It's my template. Where's my template? I'm looking for my template. Hold on, give me a sec. Calculating the zone for us. Yeah, hold on. Wait for my senior to give you guys the buy, yeah, guys. Okay, the best time to actually buy is actually around here. Okay, the best time to actually buy is around here. So I'm holding on to wait. I want I just TP it. Mm, mm. The risk area here is mm. Okay. Okay, we're gonna test our first signal of the day. We're gonna buy gold. Yeah, we're gonna buy gold because since there is a breakout around here, so we are focusing around here right now. Okay, reason we are buying gold because it's the uptrend. We're coming back towards where the breakout support, resistance becomes support right now. There's also a resistance support. That's why the rejection towards this candlestick. So we're gonna hold on towards this position for now and monitor. Yeah, make sure you guys control your lot size when you guys entry. Okay, so right now because the market movement is really fast. We want to be on the profit side. Make sure you guys calculate your total lot size before you guys entry. Okay. So once the if our trading is running around 20-30 pips, sorry, 20-30 pips, I mean around 40 pips to 50 pips, we're gonna place break even, and then we're gonna trail stop if possible. If the price reverse back to on the buy side, we're gonna trail stop. But right now, our stop losses is around 100 pips. Mm. So if we look at H1, right? If we look at H1, okay, they already make a breakout consolidation here, which is why the line here, right, resistance becomes support. This is already like a strong breakout already. So right now price is just pulling back, so we are still holding on still. I've already opened 5 position. Okay. Okay, be very careful with this zone because price might want to come down further down, like give us a spike shadow, because right now momentum is very fast. Okay. So potential that the price spike down here, hit us first and then reverse back to be on the bullish side, unless we get manipulated by the price of the gold. Okay, so our stop losses is basically okay. I might need to change our stop losses here. Okay, our stop losses is actually below this line, 5175. Okay, our stop losses we're gonna change back to 5175 because this zone is quite big. Okay, this zone is quite big. Okay, I was basically just slightly below here. Okay, our stop losses is slightly below here. So we're gonna look at long ones. 5176, 5176. Okay, here. 176. Dude, that's not how bad we entry, bro. 176? 86 lah, bro. 86, 86. That's why I'm almost like, what the hell am I doing? So here, I just at 86. Right here. Okay, just nice. So our stop loss is right behind here. Okay, our take profit is definitely beyond, because definitely the price will look for a new higher high. Okay, on the lower time frame seems to be like rejecting and give us an engulfing, so possible that price will reject and go further up to be on the bullish side. But this is just a short buy. Okay, initial end of the day, we still want to, to actually sell. So this is just a short buy. Okay, be very careful with this zone, yeah, guys. Be very careful. Like it's like it seems to be the price is trying to reject us and manipulate us around here. Is it as in M1, right, Upro? Okay. So we have an engulf rejection. Now we have another engulf rejection. In this case, price will definitely going to be on sell. So we're gonna slightly our stop loss is above outside this line here, okay? Slightly outside. If you guys worry about this position gonna be on the bearish side, you guys can hold on and just leave it and wait for the next one. Because I'm still gonna hold on for my this setup. Because H1 M30 we already have closed like 6 minutes ago. So this apparently is a new M30. So even though we still have a bullish and closing candlestick here, so most likely that this one is also like a pullback. So this is like probably a minor pullback and probably gonna push us up towards the bearish side, so bullish side rather than the bearish side. Same goes for the H1. See for the H1 even like stretch out thin coming back here. So we hope for the price going to pull back up more. I don't wanna know. Oh wow, look at H1, huh? If you look at H1, bro, if this reject right, bro, don't like this way. Look at that H1 rejection, bro. Not supposed to be like that. Okay. H1 rejection. How many people was that for that H1? Let me calculate that from here. Dude, at least 200 people with this reject. Come on, man. Push, 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 push. Push, bro. Push. Push. Come on, baby. If we can push this and this can be a bullish, right? Our first win of the day, and then we're gonna hold on for this position for a while. Because price, I believe they're gonna come back here. Definitely. We have two zones, one here and here. So price is definitely gonna come either one of these side, but we are on the buy side. So right now price already break out here. So this is the reason why we buy. Whenever price action break out towards the support or resistance, wait for a breakout structure. After the breakout structure, wait for a pullback. After a pullback, we had to look for a lower time frame, higher time frame. If there is a manipulation wise or reversal pattern, okay. Then after that, we will decide our execution then. So if there's no manipulation, no reversal, price is supposed to be on the bullish side. Then we will execute. Okay. So for silver wise, okay, price did not manage to come back here. Prices seem to be on the bullish side still. My M5 is about to close. Okay, if M5 close rejection as a bullish would be nice, but don't close as a bearish. I want it close to be a bullish. H1 looks like a false breakout. Yeah, possibly that H1 that you're going to show like a false breakout there is, but we already have a solid close towards here. You see, we have a solid close and then price opened up a new candlestick, which is the current one now is still on the bullish side rather than the bearish. So we want the price to actually come up above here, if can. Okay, we want to come up above that if can. Okay, I'm gonna close my initial first entry. I'm gonna hold on to my second layer right now. I'm gonna hold on towards it. So right now we do have running around 40 pips. Okay, our setup able to hit 40 pips. Okay, we're able to hit TP. Apparently, we're able to hit our first TP. I'm gonna straight up put break even here. Okay, seeing that price instantly reject after hitting our first TP. So basically, price hit our first TP already, 5191. If we were to look at lower time frame. Okay, price able to hit our first target. Are you guys able to manage to close your first target here, guys? You guys manage it? Do you guys manage to catch on? Yeah, price is moving really, really fast, bro. Even straight hit up my break even already. Okay, so we are able to hit our first TP and hit our break even right now. Also, you can see M5 is like showing this kind of candlestick behavior. You see M5, right? You see rejection here. So we are still going to be on the buy side. I'm going to re-entry still. Okay, I feel that the buy zone is still valid. Let me pull. Okay, price. Our first day able to hit what you call this break even was supposedly we hit our first TP, but price managed to pull back and hit our break even. So right now I'm still focusing on the buy side still. Okay, I'm just put one layer for now. I'm gonna see how the market react towards this buy, because this M5 right here, as you can see, supposedly gonna be a bearish. There's a may just sell here. It's around like roughly around 87 to 78. So it's just this one is like 80 pip here, guys. So even though the price closed here as a bully rather than the bearish right now, supposedly the price gonna reject. I'm still holding the buy position. Yeah, you guys can still hold on the buy position here still. If you guys, in the last 2 days, if you guys manage to profit, you can still hold on position all the way up here. Right now, I'm still holding on. I re-entry and then waiting for the price to give us enough to be a bullish trend up, basically. Right now, what we are in right now, whether I say a consolidation, not yet. We do have a couple more minutes before M15 close. Nice, nice, nice. Nice profit, Miss Ajay. Did you able to close your one of the layers? Because one of it able definitely managed to hit TP1. Okay. So this today's stream is gonna be 3 hour long stream. So I'm gonna pace myself. I'm gonna pace myself right now. So while we're holding on to this position, before that let's look at other pairs. What about silver? Silver is reacting to us still here, not making any movement breakout. Even there's a sort ball book, you know. There's a bullish and engulfing candlestick here. Previous candlestick supposedly if it reject it's supposed to engulf, but it did not engulf, rejected halfway through. This engulf candlestick bullish is still valid here, so possibly the price gonna be buy here. Still other, I mean, still have here small chance, small chance, small chance, small chance, small chance. Okay, I'm still gonna stick out to my entry here right now. If you guys can put break even, if you guys have already like few layers already running. Nice Danson. Nice profit, bro. Nice profit. This zone is freakingly huge for me. Right. So we do have our first setup hitting TP1. So right now we're entering re-entering the same zone. Okay, the same zone where we're entering is still valid, yeah, guys. Okay, we are only what we are doing right now. We are just scalping. Okay, we are just scalping. Okay, we are scalping. Set dollar. That's value. Okay, dollar seems to reject here. Towards this new resistance here. Breakout reject. So basically, the support the respect there lah. So now, right now, price supposed to come back here, and they're going to be on the bullish side. This is already the pullback for US dollar index. Okay, 18382. That's the reason why I put 3 TP. The moment the price hit TP1, if you guys were to have like few 2 to 3 layering, right? So what you can target is after it hit TP1, close one layer and put the rest on break even or trailing stop. As the price slowly growing to be on the bullish side, as you can trade stop or break even. Usually that's the case. Like you probably you did not collect one and then break even the rest. So that's the reason why. Cool. Honestly, I don't like how M1 is showing up like this, to be honest. Like it's seller are coming in slowly, slowly. It's like a slow death here. You know, this ain't fun and game, bro. This is real life trading right now. And what we want is to be on the bullish side. Come on, go. You can give it to us. You can definitely give it to us. Come on, man. Come on. Keep giving bullish, 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 bullish candlestick. Push up. We need the price to push up. Okay, slightly push up. Come on, man. No, oh, no. Come on, man. More. Uh-huh. Yeah, it seems like price come back to our initially first entry and 5. Um, let's look at what M5 here is giving us. Okay. Seems like they wanted to create a base here. If there is a base here, that means there is a support here. Price will probably want to come back here to our first TP. Bro, am I fasting or not? I am not. I am not fasting today because the reason why today I'm not fasting, right? I'm not feeling well, so but I'm feeling so well, so great to actually to trade basically. So price seems to like if the price respect around here, price will definitely going to come up around 51991 to 5194 around here. Okay, but we are price is gold is taking its sweet time. Okay, for this part here, I'm gonna leave this one here. For gold wise, come on, give me a bullish engulfing. I don't want barrier on bullish engulfing. 5191, yes, yes. The first TP is still 5191. The first TP is still 5191. Okay, price seems to be on our side. If price break towards here, we're still gonna be on the bullish side. Hope it breaks. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Give us that break. Give us that break. Oh no. Oh no. Never go without a watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. I'm waiting for the price to break. Come on, bro. Don't close barrier. H1. Hey, H1. You have 8 more minutes. Okay? You have 8 more minutes for you to close back above you. Okay, bro? Close above. Pull back enough already. Like, don't give me a bearish rate. Don't give me a bearish rate. Close out, give me a bullish, bro. If bearish here, we are in a pickle, bro. If it's bearish, I would be in a pickle, mate. So meanwhile, we're still gonna hold on our position still for now. In the next 7 minutes, within this next 7 minutes for this H1 to go, we maybe we'll see something crazy here. Like probably spike to hit our SI or spike to hit our TP. Which one, huh? Which one is gonna be? Within this 7 minutes. Okay, our first TP is here. Eh. Okay. Okay, our first TP one right here. We need the price to come here. Come here, boys. Come on, make that reverse the price to come here. 5191 is our first TP. We want this price to come here. TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, guys, TP1, TP2, TP3. The full TP here will be TP3 lah, basically. One minute sugar high. Okay, I'm gonna close my initial first entry here. I'm gonna leave my last entry here. Gonna be here like for a bit. Okay, currently, are we coming closely to hit TP1? Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet. We are closing into our TP1. Based on our initially first entry, we like running close to 50 pip, but I'm still holding on it. I'm not gonna put a place break even yet because we're not even close to our TP1. So if the price close to our TP1, we're gonna trail stop, break even trail stop. Until if let's say we're able to crash to hit our TP2 or TP3. Okay. So we're gonna hold on our position still. Let's see if the price gonna hit our TP1. Potentially, it seems like can push, bro, push. You guys need to push also as well, man. Push with me, man. Hey, we have a TP1 immediately. You see, guys? All right. So we're able to hit our TP1. I mean, I'm gonna put a break even here. Potentially, like if can, I want to trade stop all the way for the price to hit TP2. Okay, we already hit our TP1 one more time. This is a second time already running profit. Second time running. Hit TP1. Okay, this is the second time we hit our TP. Potentially this price for it to hit 100 pip, right? There is, there is, there is a chance. So for me, gonna put, yeah, okay, but I'm trailing stop. Okay, in 1 hour we have two good signal with two positive profit running profit signals. Okay, if we know our first signal even came and hit our break even here, right? So our second one hit TP1, so we're holding on to hit TP2. So let's hold on for this position, okay, guys? I'm still holding on for this position, okay? Hopefully this price can hit TP3. Okay, this TP1 done. Okay, now we're on the road to hit TP2. 5195 right here. 51 5195 right here, okay? 5195 right here. This is our TP2. See whether we can able to get full TP or not until TP3, okay? Right. So on my side, I'm actually running 100 pip. Basically it's really good for me. So I'm gonna trail stop this up to 50 pip for now. 5191. Okay, basically where our initial first TP. Oh my god. Okay, 5191. Okay, immediately I'm gonna put my break even right there exactly at the TP1. Yeah, perfect today can eat omakase, yeah. Okay. So we're gonna take 10 minutes break. Okay. Reason why we already have two running TP. We're gonna take a short break, reset our mind, and come back stronger. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go like water and toilet break. Okay, we're gonna go with water and toilet break. So right now we're still on a bully scene. If you guys are still holding on towards it, hold until TP2 at least. If you can. If not, means put a break even towards TP1 or you guys collect. So you guys don't feel like you guys missed out. Okay? Don't feel like you guys missed out. Okay. So we're gonna hold our position still. All right, looking good. So as I said, I'm gonna take a 10-minute break. Okay, 10-minute break. I'll be right back because it's gonna be a long stream for us today. We're gonna stream until 9. Hopefully, we can live stream at 9:50 because there is ADP high impact news. Okay, stay tuned. Hold on, don't go anywhere. You guys should go for a water break as well. It's already like 7 p.m. Euro session is gonna die out soon. So we're gonna hold on to this position. Hold on to your position if you guys want to, okay? Or you guys want to collect. Okay, I'll be right back. Give me 10 minutes. Right, I'm back. So price did not came back to our SL, we are still here. Oh wow, look at that. Did it? Did it? No, it did not. Did you guys hit break even? Price seems to pull back quite fast here, right? Luckily I collect already way. Luckily I already collected. Have you guys collected? 0.5 lot close, slow, but profit. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. What do it 0.85? This is insane. Mm. Nice. Look at that profit, man. Everyone is doing so good. Okay. So when you guys make a lot of profit, it's always remember to always compound your profit so we can survive throughout end of the month because this is just the fourth day of the month, consider it the third day of the week lah, basically, but it's on the fourth day of the month, third day of the week. Okay, so since we already hit our first CP right now, price is almost like it hit our break even already if you guys were to hold. Okay, but I already collected. So we're waiting for the next setup. Let's see what the price gonna give us. See, it seems that the price came back towards here. We're just gonna leave that be for now. So because we want to wait for a clean, proper setup. Clean, proper setup. Really blind, your love is blind. Okay, it seems that the price create okay, right now, right, as you can see, there's a lot of candle weak here, see. Price rejecting towards the selling right now is rejecting towards the buy. Right now we're in a very volatile situation here. Right now we are in a very volatile. So we are waiting for the price to react. Maybe something going on here. Uh we're in the middle between zone. We're in the middle. Okay. On above right here, we are looking to sell. On below here, we are looking to buy. But then right now we're in the middle. There's nothing much we can do. If I want to re-entry buy, right, it's not a good idea. I mean, I could because if the price want to be coming towards this zone right now, is closer coming to this zone because we are in the bullish momentum. So if the bullish momentum price is coming back to this zone, it's very likely compared towards where we wanted to buy initially on below here. So if the price come back towards up here, we can sell. Okay, we can sell, but waiting for the price to come back, lah. It's gonna take a slight while. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. So potential right now, if you guys, who are put break even entry right below here, right? Initially our first entry 8.6. Actually never actually hit our break even here, even though we put here because the price came 8.7. Maybe it did, if you guys put trails break even style like 10 pip. But usually I put like close to 5 pip. Price is, very hard to see whether what we can buy or sell, but it's okay. Let's forget about that. Even silver is same thing. You see, if you go look at gold and silver, it's the same pattern. It's the same pattern right now. So if we want to sell gold and silver at the same price above here, So meanwhile, let's look at other pairs. Oh, wow, what is this? We have M5 engulfing candlestick here. So potential, there is a potential buy right here. Initially, this is where I wanted to buy yesterday. Price did not close beyond that, so they're respecting this support. Even the previous candlestick, even the wick also is exactly where the support is. So most probably on Euro USD, we will possibly look at a reversal pattern right here. Potentially going to be a buy. Okay, going to be a buy, but there is a manipulation breakout here. So let's see whether the price can come back here. Maybe we can see like a sell here, or maybe potential buy. So there is a breakout structure here. Okay, breakout structure here. So maybe there's potential price that would like to come and look at around this zone here. Okay, there's a support. Most probably here we're gonna be a resistance here. That's why the price is on a bullish trend, looking for a resistance right now. Oh, sorry. On the CUJ. Hmm. Price did not manage to come back here, but we're still looking at downtrend still for UJ. Apparently, we can sell up here, because this is not an engulfing rejection here on M30 wise. As you can see, even though this candlestick is engulfing on this previous candlestick, but it did not engulf this total too. Okay, we want this candlestick to engulf this candlestick right here. If this candlestick engulf this candlestick, then we can see a reversal buy pattern here, but it did not. So most probably here is still a selling point. But we should say if it breaks towards this line again, we can potentially take a sell right here on the UJ side. We're gonna keep an eye lookout around this zone. See, maybe we can potentially get a sell here or not. Meanwhile, I'm gonna look at gold for a bit. Gold is still rising up, actually hitting our TP2. Okay, if we hit our TP2, very likely price is still rising up to come to hit our full TP3 right here. Okay. Baby. Yeah, I'll tell you that later, okay, Loki. For now, we are still focusing on gold. Although not much, but still killing it. Yeah, that's the whole point about trading, guys. It's not the fast rich scheme plan that we are trying to build here. No, we are not. What we are trying to build is long-term survival, throughout the whole month, throughout the whole year. We want to compound our profit. It can be as minimum as like times two or times three, 1 to 1. But eventually, gradually, if your margin capacity is bigger and bigger and bigger, of course, your lot size could be possibly can also increase. Okay, because as long you understand how the market works, how the market move, the momentum of the market, your lot size, you can calculate your lot size based on the market momentum and how big is the gap between the stop losses is, yes, you can increase your lot size if you know how to. If you don't know how to, I would suggest you guys to maintain, continue compound your profit first with me together. Because we want to grow our account to at least 20K on this small account. As you can see, right? I just want to show you guys on my main account, I am still holding on my buy position. My main account, I'm still holding my buy position. As you can see, at 5186. I'm still holding on towards it to actually hit our TP3. Okay, I'm still holding on towards it. Okay. As you can see, our one is actually like running 70 pip right now. It's already hit our second TP, 5175. Basically 80 pip. So we are waiting for the next one setup. Okay. So I'm gonna hold on my buy position on my main account. On my this account, we already closed the hit our TP, so we're gonna look like okay, wow. We do have a seller coming in strong. Maybe this is just a pullback towards what let me see. Definitely not M5, definitely not M15. You know, we are still in the M30 H1 zone here. Whether it's gonna close above here and continue to push, I still feel there is, you know, there is a chance that the price want to continue push towards here. Ah, it's okay. It's okay if you got close too early because okay, you guys need to understand about in terms once you enter a trade, you know, don't feel scared that you know the price come back to a break even or you just like 20p, 30p running profit. You guys worry that you know it will not go beyond and that. That's the reason why we put break even and if we can we want to put trail stop lah, you know. But considering just now when I saw the market like trying to reverse, that's why we collected before it like reject towards here. So we already collected around here. Sorry, it was here. Okay, we already collected before the price dip here. Okay, if we did not collect and we put a break even here, right, most likely gonna hit our break even. So that's why we collected. Because on our first setup, you know, actually running profit around close to 50 pip, but it came back to hit our break even. So as you can see, my profit is still a negative 58. You know, I still need to recover this account. On this small account, with a little bit more, but it's okay. We go on together, okay? We'll be on the same road together with let's see. Gold, silver. For silver, looks like I want to can buy way. We coming towards here for silver wise. When you're giving up, I will never let you down. Let me go. Let me off. Okay. Wonder it feels so hot. Reject here, come back here. Feels like I want to buy. Feels like I want to buy. My reject so far hit our after hit TP1 came back hit break even. So it's quite fast, you see, even though the market is like reacting like this. I'm fine. If this engulf candlestick close above, we still have potential looking for a buy side here still. So if the price come back above here, okay, I'm not gonna buy now for this account. For scalping one, I'm not gonna buy. I'm still gonna hold on to my buy position on my main account still because we are looking for potential sell around here. So we're waiting for the price to come back above here. But if the price reject here, oh my god, then we have no chance to potential sell here. Most probably we're gonna be stuck here in this zone here. We're gonna stuck here until US session. US session basically at 8:30 this month is gonna be US market open at 8:30. That's so sad. Okay, come on, man. At least hit our TP2, sorry, TP3. I'm waiting for the price to reject. As you can see, let me open my main account here. Okay, let me open up my main account. So as you can see, this is my main account currently running. So I already put a break even towards both sides. I'm gonna put break even here for this. For this break even, I'm definitely gonna put above here. This side, break even here. Okay, we are still on the buying side still on this lower time frame. But we're gonna sell above here. We are still holding on our position right now. When I was copying on, we already closed this our main account that we're just gonna hold on towards still to hit our TP3. That is the music. Like thinking about me, thinking about you. Right. Okay, it seems that gold slowed down to us really. I mean, we're still on the bullish side. We're still running profit still. Okay, Euro USD is coming towards the zone where we want to see, but we want to do something here, most likely on Euro USD, right? So how big is this zone? This zone is like 20 pip big, okay, 20 pip. This zone is like 20 pip. Okay, it's on 20 pip zone. So we're waiting for the price to come back here. If we can get to take a sell here, same goes to gold. If we can take a sell here, I already put a break even towards my buy, as you can see. Think about me, think about you. Okay. So for my Muslim friend, for those who are fasting right now, it's about time for you guys to get ready and fast with your family. For those who are having dinner right now, okay, you guys can have dinner while watching this live stream. You guys can just watch me trade, or you guys can trade with me at the same time if you guys want to, if you guys can. If you guys cannot, just watch me and then wait for the next setup. Because the next setup we're gonna look for a sell around here because we are still on a buy trend. Like as you can see here, right? There is major uh bearish on candlestick movement right here, but then coming towards since the Asian market open until now, price is slowly recovering. That's why it's still on the buy side still because we are slowly recovering. So I'm still gonna hold on to my position here until the price reach above here. Then maybe we can sell. Maybe we can sell. Same go to Euro USD price to come back, so maybe we can sell. For UJ wise, uh, okay, we're waiting for pullback also. Pullback for UJ. We wanted to see what happened here, but then price did not manage to come here at all. Rejected straight to be a bullish. After that, let me calculate how many pips is that. It would I just want to calculate how many pips that. Eh, 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 M30. Alright, M30. Okay, I went retarded mode for a bit just now. My brain stopped working just now. I don't know what the fuck just happened. My brain started stopped working just now. Okay, so from here, rejected one, then came back here, fly, right? Well, 40 pip. Okay, it's not so bad, Like, honestly, it's not too bad. Close to 50 pip, eh. But then, if the price came back down there, lah, but price never came back down there, we cannot tell whether the price can be a buy zone or not. They immediately reject. So we are still here. So right now, what we can see here is, I want it, price breakout towards this resistant support become resistant. Currently, right now, we are in this zone here. Okay, there is. So basically, this also did not engulf. So we are still looking at downtrend still. Okay, so if let's say the price is still downtrend still, right? If the price, if let's say somehow were to come back, but I want to come back on the side here also. Okay, potentially maybe we can see something going on here. Maybe we have a chance to get a sell here. Okay, maybe we get a chance. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my goal open until and also my break even. I'm gonna change back to my small account. Because we are gonna look for other pairs. We're gonna look for other pairs. And okay, oh wow, I'm starting to lagging already. Starting to lag. Okay. So I'm waiting for the price to come back here. Maybe we can actually sell for Euro sorry, USD JPY currencies. Because we already have our gold position running right now. We're gonna look for another diversified currency also. We're gonna have more than just one. Hmm. Okay, it seems like this price most likely will not come here at all way. Most likely it's just gonna give out sell straight away with the reason why M30, look at M30, right? This is engulf bearish candlestick rejected towards this supposed to be on the bullish side, maybe have a chance to revert, but did not. So there's no reversal, there's no manipulation. So price pull back after breakout, now going towards the sell. So most probably if the price does not want to come back, most probably we're going to miss out. And then maybe we will see here. Okay, everything is slowed down already lah. To be honest, every market is actually slowing down already lah. It's not coming towards our zone area where we want to buy or where we want to sell. Yeah. So we're gonna wait until maybe coming to US Open around 8 p.m. It's like you when I like you. Like you, evening, what time? What time? If I want to be a permanent live stream towards the evening hours, right? What would be the best time, huh? What would be the best time? Bro, when it come to this zone, don't reject straight away, lah. See, even gold was stuck right here already on our TP2. Do you want to move anywhere beyond our TP2? So there is like consolidation price going on right here on this lower time frame. Maybe like reversal, gonna come back down. Hey, UJ, I thought you want to go down, they end up rejecting here. Now you're what? Creating consolidation. You want to be up here, is it? If the price come back here, maybe this one from selling can be a buy side, But just gotta monitor it on the lower time frame first. But I'm still like buyers sell for this UJ, Euro, I mean USDJPY, and then Euro USD as well. EU and UJ, I'm looking at selling. Gold, I'm still looking at buying. So gold, my buy position is so ongoing still. Okay, I'm not able to do anything much right now. Only to just like monitor it for now. As you can see, our gold running closing to 2000 USD. It's still on a bullish trend. If you look at M1, right, it's on a bullish trend way. Yeah, so we were just waiting for the price action to create something so that we can able to sell here. Maybe we're going to hold on our position buy still. Eight PM until 11 PM. Any reaction towards gold is a uptrend. Uh, why is the same thing? Okay, yours is if it's reacting here, most likely it's going to be a thick, long while for the price come back here. Okay, USD JPY seems to coming back, even though it's an engulfing candlestick price, it seems to be coming, respecting, come back towards its zone. Maybe we have a chance to sell or buy. Okay, right now we're gonna monitor on USD JPY for a bit. Okay, okay, I might go almost hit TP way, almost way. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, for gold, I'm gonna pull up trail stop above here. Okay, I'm gonna pull up there. So we don't feel I'm losing anything much. I'm still gaining on more. Forever gonna kiss, I mean, and I'm gonna kiss. Looking for it. So I'm putting my trailing stop for my goal much closer. Okay. Because it's getting closer to hit our TP. So I'm pulling in closer. Okay, I'm putting trailing stop for now. Okay, I'm putting trailing stop for my goal. Right now I'm focusing on looking at US dollar on UJ. Gold is closing in to hit our TP, but then it's keeping jacking away. Almost way, another 20 more pip, bro. Okay, once UJ come around here, I want to see on this lower time whether he's gonna manipulate. At least come into the box. I don't want it to touch. I want it to come into the box. Okay, well, if it comes into the box, then we can. So meanwhile, I'm gonna change it to my song account. Okay, we're gonna look at USDJPY. Okay. Okay, we look at M15, right? There is something going on. See, there's a lot of support, and then this rejected. That's why we are selling. We want to sell here. Okay, price need to come back to the bot. Momentum is on point. Okay, if I would sell here, right? If I would sell here, what's my stop loss is gonna be? Oh, right here is 10 pip. Okay, I'm gonna sell on UJ right now. Okay, I'm gonna sell on UJ right now. Hold on, give me a sec, give me a sec. It's hard to look right at you, baby. Let me set up the Zoom for you guys. So apparently, what I'm selling right now is Okay, so if let's say I want to, bruh, TP1. Okay, our TP for our UJ is close to 50 pip, okay? Our stop losses, drag this. Our stop losses is also 50 pip. So stop losses at exactly 57. 1, 2, 5, 7, 7, 5. Okay. So basically our TP is at 156. 6.75. Yeah. Okay. Okay, for this UJ is gonna be a long one because it's gonna take a while. So right now we currently in this zone. That's why we are selling. Price seems to be on the bullish side, but then we are selling for the price to come back down. So we're gonna sell there for now. So for gold wise, I think go hit my break even, bro. Oh man. Okay. So basically our goal did not manage to hit our TP1, sorry, TP3. We only managed to only hit TP2. Basically, as you can see, this is our TP2. So that's the max actually the price has given to us lah. So for now we are waiting for this UJ setup to run. Just the way you stands for a while. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Sorry, sir. I need this as translation. Google, Google Translate. I need this to be translated. What does this mean? Copy, place an order. So you send to me another view. Okay. So apparently it seems to be rejected towards the box. That's why we are selling here. Okay, that's what we are selling right now. So for this wise, let me put this for you guys to see. Okay, okay. 650. Okay, apparently our TP is around here, lah, right? We're looking for our TP to be here. Our stop losses 157,200. Eh? Okay. zone is quite big. All right, boys and girls, the zone is quite big. Even though right now we are running like what? How many peep? Shit, man. Not even close to 10 peep. Total two layer combined also not even close to 10 peep. Okay. Make sure you guys press that sell button, okay? All right. Okay, Sam, you relax a bit, okay, Sam? Control your emotion, bro. Okay, we are selling our UJ right now. Our goal basically hit break even right now on the UJ wise. We are selling. So we're gonna hold on our UJ until it hit TP1. For the very least, hit our TP1. Okay, for UJ only we have one TP. Okay, good, good. Let's go, Downson. Hold on with me together if you want to. Hold on with me. If you guys think it's enough, you guys want to put break even, it's up to you. Okay, as long the price is beyond outside of this box, you guys can put break even. Yeah, basically, as long as it's beyond this box, you guys can put break even now. But right now it's very close to the box. No, what's the point? Hold on towards it, lah. Still, okay. I'm still holding on to my position still. Okay, this is our third trading signal of the day. This is our third, yeah. Gold we enter twice. So right now we enter the third time, but this time we will actually enter Euro USD. Okay. Cheers for another day. Go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go. Good job, everyone. Everyone seems to running profit, which is good. Hold on to your position. You guys want to close, also up to you. You guys think it's enough? It's up to you. Because to me, I want to hit at least to my TP. Like, we want to stick to the plan, all right? We want to stick to the plan. Okay, we want to stick to the plan. If you're gonna put, if you guys think is enough, you want to put place a break even. It's up to you. As long we're out of the box. If we come back in the box, we're in the pickle. Okay, as long the price doesn't come into the box, we are fine. If the price come into the box, we are in the pickle. Okay. So for now, I'm just gonna put like a break even close. Cause this one is gonna take a long fucking while, you guys. It's gonna take a long fucking while, because this already we can put our break even, and we can trail stop, break even and trail stop. Okay. Right. Okay. I'm gonna end my live at 9. I won't be ending my live in 10 minutes. Okay, but in within after 10 minutes, I'm gonna take my dinner break. Okay, I'm gonna get a quick bite, so I'll be back at 8 p.m. I'm gonna take a dinner break. So meanwhile, the price is still like holding on like this. We're gonna put break even. Okay, break even. Sam, put break even, bro. Just in case, okay, there's a difference between break even and trail stop. Okay, once you put break even, right? You guys can, pull your break even close to where the price action is, pull closer, closer, you can trail start gain more. Okay? Gain more. Most important thing is gaining more. Okay? In the next couple of minutes, I'm gonna go get something to buy. I'll be right back because we're gonna end our live stream at 9. Okay, so you get anyone of you able to catch this sell? This is our third signal of the day. This is our third. Our go we enter twice, and this is our third signal of the day. Okay. You can decide to close if you want to. I'm still gonna hold on to it, hit TP. So while for this price action to react, let's look at other okay, look at gold. Okay, gold it seems to be on the reversal pattern showing on the lower time frame. On lower time frame, shows like you want to make a reversal pattern to be on the sell side, or you're gonna be on a consolidation between the support after support resistance around here. Okay, it's gonna be like that. Prime, see here, show me, show me. Hey, okay, it's not bad. It's good. It's good. Compound, keep compounding. Okay, Sam. Most important thing is that we want to compound our profit. Okay, we want to compound profit. We don't want to lose. Don't straight away close. Hold on to your position. Okay, for gold wise, if the price come back down here, maybe we can buy or sell. But initially, we want to sell above here, lah. But if the price were to reject and then come back here, maybe we can decide later on to buy or sell here. Same goes to silver. Okay, silver. Even that the managed at 10 second attack want to come back here, but it did not. It just died off outside of the box, and right now coming back. If you come back towards the zone round here, okay, I want to draw this line slightly bigger, just to be on the safe side, in case we'll be on a don't want to be manipulated. So we're gonna wait here. What the price gonna give? Meanwhile, let's just watch UJ lah. Right? Let's hope UJ to able to come back to us all the way down here. This initially the price that I want you to come so that we can see what's going on here. Because it seems like we are on a downtrend still, and also we break towards a major support here. There's a breakout support here. So which is why the price is still on the selling side. So yeah. Okay. If you think it's enough for today, trading, right? If you guys profit enough, stop. Don't overly trade because sometimes overly trade ends up you're gonna lose, and then you always end up trying to recover back what you lost, end up fighting back and forth. So don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. As long as we hit our target of the day is enough. Okay. It seems that UJ, I think most likely hit our break even. Coming very close to hit our break even. So if we hit our break even, it's totally fine because momentum wise, I'm just worried that it's most likely manipulation outside of the box. What usually happen the case like if we come out of the box, it's supposedly continue to be on the bullish, but it did not. So on the lower time frame, we can see like something is going on here. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go for a dinner break. I'll be right back. Like maybe give me like 10-15 minutes. Okay, I'll be right back. So meanwhile, if you guys still holding on to your J, let me see my J. Okay, it seems that I'm coming back towards the box. I'm gonna re-entry wise. I'm gonna put on one layer only. Same thing. Stop losses 750. Okay. Still gonna hold on to this position still, okay? I'm re-entering. I'm gonna hold on to this position. I'm gonna go for dinner. I'll be right back. See you guys in a minute. In like 10-15 minutes, okay? I'll see you guys back. Okay, I'm back. So currently, our UJ is like running closely to 10 pips. We're gonna leave that UJ price happen to react like that. Okay, for silver wise, silver is coming into the box. So right now, because we're also closing into US session, I scared there is suddenly price US session go. I worry about dollar might be weakened slightly, and then gold will rise up to just for pullback structure wise towards this zone. Uh, Same goal for gold as well. Gold is also is coming towards this box, if, like close to, but then it's still coming in here. So if you can, we want to take a sell soon for regarding here for UJY. We're gonna let it be. Let's go back to UJ and see what's up. Okay, I'm gonna put my break even towards for UJ right now because I'm gonna look at silver and gold for this moment. Maybe I got chance to catch a sell. Right now we're entering into this box. So once uh on the lower time frame, we need to see on the lower time whether there's like manipulation, rejection wise. If you're gonna reject pullback, it's gonna be here and it's still gonna be on a bullish trend. I don't want that to happen. If you want to break, just break towards down. But just waiting for that curve. Uh Rejection wise, let's see if there's any engulf bearish engulf candlestick for bearish. Okay, right now we do have only even this is an engulf rejection, but it's still being covered up. This one is a breakout structure. It did not break further down. So right now we're still on a bullish trend. We're waiting for it like reverse the change character here. Okay, my God, I don't want to take a sell now. If take sell also no point. I feel like the price is gonna be around ranging still around here still because we're in the US session. So waiting for confirmation right now. Right now, I'm waiting for confirmation. Even gold, I can't really sell. I mean, unless it breaks towards here, and then maybe we can sell. Right now it depends. I really depend on this how price action giving us right now. This market, we're still in the sideways consolidation here still. So if we were to look at UJ, it's still going down still. There's a reason we know that the price going to coming down here. That's why we already put our break even. So it's okay. So we're gonna focus on gold and silver right now. Gold is not coming there. Silver is still in the box. It's like coming out towards the box already, but I'm gonna take a sell here and here. It's only like 20 pip, no point. So I'm gonna hold on. Maybe the price will come back here eventually still. Definitely like a second or third touch. This is first touch, second touch. Probably we're gonna have like a third touch, most probably gonna reach all the way here. Then maybe from here, then we shall see whether the price gonna give us a proper confirmation for us to take a sell or not. Okay. Give me a sec. Take water. Take water. Say it. Let me hear you say. Let me hear you say. Waiting for the price to do something here. Don't consolidate here right now and then reject. Bet. Not enough confirmation for me to take it as a sell yet. Not not strong enough. Not strong enough. Goddamn gold man. Come here, bro. We're A15. We have new candlestick right now. M15. Did not close beyond these. So more probably this is the maximum height. Nah, I don't think so. Because this is the new height. Right now it's still on the breaking point here. Probably gonna come here. So if the price come here, yeah. Seems like the price hit our TP though. 2002 hit our TP though. But hit our break even first time before hit our TP. So it's okay. So we're gonna wait for a couple. Oh, this is not what I like. I don't like the. Okay, you go reacted like that. Also, like, same shit happened to silver. Silver also reacting like this. Okay, but still, initially we thought that the price will come here and then reject back up. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm not gonna buy yet. Not gonna buy and not gonna sell. Waiting for the price to create something, but the price is not creating anything. Dude, so fast we my god, I think we missed a chance. I think dude, I think we already missed a chance. Yep. Most probably we already missed a chance. Price is already dipping fast. Okay, for gold price didn't came to this box for us to sell. Silver did. But what worries me, because we are so uh because we are currently here, price reacted so fast. I mean, even though lower time frame shows like this, right? But there's no confirmation for me to start. Even though this candlestick shows like that, but then I couldn't take it because did not properly like engulf towards like this previous candlestick did not probably engulf, but then this current candlestick currently engulfing. If this current candlestick engulfing, maybe we shall see some manipulation tradition wise. I could have a profile to kiss your lips, to just to think about it, of what you did. Still see your old apartment like a bad trip. Wish I could find your golden place that's within. What is it? It's a good time. Take a bite. Cash feeling. A time. Someone. See what made me feel high. Cause you had me so low, low, low. You only seem calm. But you stunted my growth. I only wanted you cause I couldn't hide you now that I know. That wasn't love, that wasn't love, that was just hope. Man, I can't even catch on the gold and silver. They already passed. Shit. But you come back here, maybe we can buy lah for gold. But with this kind of momentum, right? I don't think so. I want to buy. I just had to wait until like the price to slow down a bit. Towards once the price come back, if it slow down here a bit, then we can see something, maybe something going on. Then maybe we can take a sell or buy. But then right now, you want me to take something buy or sell? I cannot. This is like a very big engulfing M5, man. This is a very big engulfing M5. Okay. You only sit tall, 'cause you still don't grow. I only wanted you 'cause I couldn't hide you now that I know. That wasn't love, that wasn't love, that was just hope. Okay, don't worry about it, don't worry about it. Even though right now, man, I should just take the sell here, but if I cannot also lah, there's no proper confirmation for me to see to take a sell, but then it's okay. Even same go to gold. Gold come back to it, come to this box right now, touch and go. Rejected straight away after the breakup because there is support re- basically here there is a resistance become support lah. Here is a resistance and here is a support. So basically respecting to the support, not actually touching, but close towards it. So if with this kind of momentum, we are still looking at bearish signs still, because as you can see, there is like support here, or like minor support that break out, here, especially M15 here. Okay, but it's not yet close. Whether it close beyond that, then we'll know that then we're still gonna be a proper bearish still. Right now, looking at it, M1, M5 is still like looking downtrend. So we're not gonna take any trade for now still. We're gonna see what's up. So we don't want to feel like we missed out anything. Okay. This is our UJ. Okay, for gold wise. So this is our goal. As you can see, we bought today quite a few. Okay. So it's been good to us. For goal wise, right now we are just focusing on UJ, and our price. Your UJ is still ongoing, running, coming straight to our break even basically. Okay, hopefully it doesn't hit our break even. Let's just continue keep going down, because right now we want what we want is like looking at these metals. Okay, even sorry, I was looking at silver. I want to see silver. Hmm. Silver is not coming here. It's just most probably gonna come back here. So I think it's still on a bullish trend still. Okay. So most likely if it comes back and reject the second time, we're gonna immediately take a sell. Okay. If it comes back around this zone, if we reject, immediately we're gonna take a sell. Okay, for gold wise, the same thing. Even though gold right now coming towards this zone, potentially it can be a buy. But right now, with this kind of momentum, it can be a sell. So we had to be very careful here, especially in this zone. We got to be very careful. That's how you. Okay, gold seems to be coming right down here again still. Seems like the momentum is still on the bearish side. Yeah. It come down lah. If it come down, then we can lah. But like, you see, if it doesn't want to come down anymore, most likely gonna come back up here lah. Or Euro USD, no chance at all. Price gonna come back here for take a sell. Okay, UJ is still going down. We saw a downtrend. I think did hit our break even. It seems so. UJ hit our break even. It's fine. We're gonna look for a new setup. We're gonna look for gold and UJ. Sorry, gold and silver right now. It's totally fine. We're gonna look for a new setup. So basically, our UJ hit our break even. Price is coming back to the box zone. So I'm not gonna take this trade any chance, because most likely I worry about coming into US session, it might be manipulated and might shoot up. Okay, UJ has been going down ever since. I mean, for the dollar index, almost likely I'm predicting that this thing can end up to be a buy, but M30 shows like this not good to sell. I mean to buy yet. H1 also like this. H1 so strong, right? If this is gonna engulf here all the way down here, right? Bro, it's not good for us, because the previous candlestick is supposed to be bullish, but it closed up bearish. That's why the next candlestick is supposed to reject this bearish, but did not continue following this bearish trend. This candlestick, so right now we are still in a bearish trend. So the way how I like the way, if you guys notice the way how I talk, I always talk like I myself when I look at the market because it's like a storyline based. Okay, even when I go, I want to buy now, so cannot. I cannot. We are about to come into the box. Let it come in. It's much closer, right in the middle bit. Then we shall see what happens. What the price gonna give. Okay, you see whether we do have managed to catch that time or not. Man, still sell way like this all day, staring at the ceiling, making fancy shadows on my wall. But are you gonna rebound here, bro? If you rebound, I can take a buy, but you are very close. Let's see. That I should get some sleep because tomorrow might be good. Something feeling like I'm heading for a breakdown, and I don't know why. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little well. I know right now you don't care. A different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care. Okay, I can't even take a gold sell right now. Gold sell is still strong momentum bearish here. Cannot take it. Can't take it yet. Can't take it yet. We're still in the box. We're coming into the box, rejecting towards the box. So wait. I'm not gonna buy yet. Not gonna sell yet. Because if we reject here, right, for us to be a buy, the price have to engulf candlestick here. Price break here, we can continuously buy. If it breaks down, we have to wait and see what the price gonna give us. Maybe gonna still gonna be sell. So lucky, you see. If I were to buy some, what's the point? Reject until he still come back down here. What's the point, man? So we shall see what the price gonna give us here. Not gonna entry just yet. I'm gonna watch first. Right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me and how I used to be. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little well. I know right now you don't sound, but stay a while, but then you'll see a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care. This M1 candlestick, shit. How much is that? How much is that? How many pips is that? 50 pip. Luckily I never took a sell yet. I mean a buy yet. Price is still like selling. Still selling. Right. So we have a few more minutes before I off the stream. Before I end the stream, I want you guys to know regarding our deposit bonus and our VIP channel. If you guys want to get more Signal VIP channel, you guys have to talk to Grace. She's our admin. She will definitely help you guys if you guys having trouble in terms of registration wise. Because if you guys would register using our broker, not just you get deposit bonus, you also get to join our VIP channel and also live update on the market structure. Live analysis. We will tell you like, is it a good time, to trade in the market or not? Especially, if you guys like don't bother to, look like that, you can actually look at, following the signal wise. Okay. I want to take buy also cannot way. So scary. If I take a buy here, right? If I take a buy here right now, I think I take a buy here right now. What's my freaking ass gonna get? Ain't nothing like a good day. Tell me why. Cannot, too close. 100 pips is just like zah now again. Wanna hear you say. If I take 100 pips, so you see, right? 474, 64. It's exactly right here outside of this box. If this go outside of this box, we're dead. Piece of time, yeah. Okay, so we do have an engulfing M15 here, rejecting and also break towards this. So most likely we're gonna see like a selling point right now. So on this M15, if this M15 close beyond this, yeah, then we'll be selling. If it does not close beyond it, reject towards it and respect this resistance here. If the resistance becomes support and respected, then price is still gonna be up. So walao, I wanna buy, so I'm scared. Falling apart. In the meantime, we used to be, yeah. Wait, 6-1. Still so close, man. Piece of a time. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I think it's better not to take any trade, not to overtrade. We're gonna wait. Okay, we're coming in US session right now. US session is pumping in the bearish for gold rather than the any manipulation wise. So I'm not gonna do any trade right now. So meanwhile, while waiting for like a proper confirmation, a proper setup to happen for us, don't forget to talk to Grace regarding our deposit bonus and also our VIP channel. It's also very important to join those because if you guys have that VIP channel, right, you not just like you guys getting signal, VIP signal, you guys also get like market analysis, also market structure in there as well. Okay, so I hope you guys don't miss this out. I never wanna hear you say. Okay, if we look at H1, right? This is a resistant here, and this is what the buck is H1 is doing. If this H1 engulf here, right, bro, we are in the pickle. Okay, we're in the pickle. So better not lah. So let the momentum ride first, okay? Because no point. I cannot take a buy right now. Look at this. There's no point. Can't take a buy. It's not a bearish momentum. Okay. Okay, it's okay. We're gonna take a small risk. Okay. Because we are still on the running profit side. SL 100 pip. Okay, boys. Last setup. Last setup. Last setup. Okay, guys. Last setup. Go by at 517075 80 185. Five one seven five. Okay. SL is at okay. This is the last setup. Okay, guys, this is the last setup. Currently, we are running like 30 pip, closing in. Almost hit our TP. Almost hit our TP. Okay, because of that, I'm gonna put a trading break even right now. Coming into our 50 pip. I'm putting break even right now. Okay, I hope you guys are with me. This is the last setup of the day. Let's hit our TP and then we can go home. We can go out, have fun, enjoy the day, rest of the evening. So I already put a break even towards my entry right here, right now. Okay. So make sure you guys able to entry as well, right? Come on, hit TP, push! 10 more pip, man. Okay, I'm gonna trail stop. I'm gonna trail stop. 20 pip. Okay, trail stop. I'm just trailing stop. Most likely this price is not gonna push out anymore. Most likely gonna reject. Okay, I'm putting a trail stop right here, closing in. So I hope you guys are with me, still with me. Okay, it did not hit our trail stop. Price is still on a bullish trend. So let's see if we can able to get it. Okay, our TP is just only like 75, boys. 75 is just right here, close to the line right here. Okay, this is TP1. TP2 is basically above, outside of the box. All right, we are really close. We are really close right now. We are really close right now. All right, okay. This is the reason why I put trading stop, because this next M1 candlestick open up like this might hit our break even and continuously going to be on the bearish side. So this is the reason why we, not just putting on break even, we also trail stop. Okay. So what if we break even, right? Okay, like, as you can see, if we break even, we still on a profit like 100 USD here. Okay, not much but okay lah. But fuck it. So we're gonna focus back later on tomorrow. What we call this? What you call it? What you call it? What you call it? What you call this? Later, Alan's gonna be joining the live stream later. So Alan, we're gonna. Okay, for this price already make break even. Okay, guys, this price already break even. It's no longer valid. Okay, this price already hit break even. As you can see, we hit trade stop, break even, trade stop. So this price, if you guys want to buy, is no longer valid. Okay, it's no longer valid. Listen, no longer valid, because our main goal purchase account is already like if you look at here, our goal, we're able to make close to like 1,005 right here, 1,005. So not too bad, not too bad. A good start for today. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. Don't forget to talk to Gray regarding our deposit bonus and also our VIP channel. Okay, I will see you guys again tomorrow, and have a good evening. Okay, guys. Good night. Rest well.